In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload images on Slack. Whether you're using Slack for work, a community, or personal projects, sharing visuals is an essential part of keeping everyone on the same page. Fortunately, uploading images on Slack is straightforward and can be done in just a few steps. Let's dive right in and explore how you can share your images effortlessly. First things first, open up Slack on your device. This could be your computer or mobile phone, and make sure you're properly logged into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the specific channel or direct message where you intend to share your image. This step is crucial because each channel or DM may have different members or viewers, and you want to ensure your image reaches the right audience. So select accordingly, keeping in mind the context and relevance of your image for the conversation. Now take a look just beside the message box where you usually type your text. You'll notice a small plus icon sitting comfortably right there. Click on this plus icon. Doing so opens up a world of sharing options. But for our purpose today, we're focusing on uploading an image. After clicking the plus icon, you will see an option that says Your Computer. Go ahead and choose this. This indicates you want to upload an image file directly from your device, whether it's a desktop or a laptop. This step is pretty straightforward and familiar if you've ever attached a file while sending an email. With that done, a window will pop up displaying the contents of your computer. Navigate to the specific folder where your image is stored. It could be in a folder full of team pictures, a newly designed infographic, or perhaps that handy picture of a receipt you need to upload for the office. Once you've located your image, double-check to ensure it's the correct one, especially if you're dealing with similarly named files. Then, click on the image you want to share. Finally, after selecting the image, just hit Send. Voila! Your image will be uploaded directly into the Slack channel or DM you chose earlier. It's as simple as that. Take a moment to view your message thread to confirm the image has successfully been shared with your colleagues or friends. It's always a good idea to ensure the image preview appears as intended, especially if you're sharing critical information or graphics. And there you have it, a quick and effective way to share images on Slack. This functionality not only helps in visual storytelling, but also enhances collaboration by providing a clear reference point for discussions. Thanks for tuning in today, and now that you know how to do this, go ahead and enrich your Slack conversations with pictures that speak louder than words.